Namaste, Chairman Sir. And on behalf of management, Chairman Sir, and our CEO Yashashvi Sir, I would like to congratulate all the toppers and all the students of grade 10 who have brought laurels to Pallavi Model School, Alwal. And to continue with the legacy, this year we have set a benchmark in the Twin Cities. And to celebrate the success meet, I request all the toppers to cut the cake and convey their gratitude and wishes to management.
Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, how you feeling?
Ma'am, I'm feeling very happy for this achievement. Yes, ma'am, I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, school management,
Okay.
and principal ma'am, Komaria sir, for his guidance throughout my journey.
Okay.
Ma'am, I had constant support and guidance from my teachers, and they helped me clear all my doubts for all the questions. And meticulous support and nurturing environment helped me a lot to focus on my studies and get this success. My teachers supported me in a great way. They always helped me and cleared all my doubts, and they always provided me a nurturing environment, which helped me a lot.
And also your parents.
My parents also supported me a lot throughout my journey. They helped me rectify my mistakes and guided me when I was mentally disturbed
Yeah.
and supported me emotionally.
Okay. How you feeling? You are the topper of the school.
I feel very happy for this success.
Okay.
I truly would like to thank everyone who supported me, the school management, principal ma'am, teachers, and all the guiding support.
Yeah. Ma'am, how you feeling about your child?
It's great, ma'am, and congratulations to all of you, ma'am, and to the school and to the principal, and to special thanks to the faculties who always supported my child in all the manners they could. So it was a great experience, means related with Alwal for such a long time. It was a great support, ma'am. Thank you.
How much percentage did you score?
97.2 percentage.
Super, super. First of all, congratulations for you and your parents.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, how you feeling about your percentage and you scored the marks?
Very happy.
Okay. How your faculty was encouraged you?
They supported every step.
What about your parents?
They also supported.
Yeah, how you feeling in to study in the Pallavi Model School?
Very happy, very proud.
You also topper of the school.
Yes,
Yeah, how you are feeling that is a big achievement.
I'm feeling very happy.
Okay. Hi sir.
Yeah, yeah.
First of all, congratulations.
Thank you, madam.
97.2%. Congratulations.
Thank you, madam.
How you are feeling, sir?
Yeah, very proud of her, and I am thankful to all the teachers, principals of the Palvi Model School. They encouraged her and supported her a lot. So she has put all the effort, and finally we see the results here. Yeah. Thank you very much for that.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay.
Like,
You got 98.6%. How you are feeling?
good, satisfied. I can't say satisfied, but good. Like, I got centum in science, and so whatever was my favorite subject, I got very good marks in those.
Okay. How much hard work you have done with you and also faculty support also?
Faculty were very supporting whenever I missed a lecture, or like whenever I was absent, they would give me extra support, extra classes. They would solve my doubts. They would go a step further than required to make me feel comfortable and all. And whatever they told me to like study this, I studied those and I got good marks.
You are the topper of the school. How you are feeling?
I'm feeling very nice, like very honorable, like honored, like from ma'am's support and all supports. Vidya ma'am was like particularly very supportive with me. She always made me feel like home and at home, and always gave me extra attention just to make me be like more attentive towards school and classes.
How your parents feeling?
They are very satisfied. They are very happy with the school result and all whatever I got. They are very grateful to all the teachers over here for their support.
Well, congratulations and all the best for your future also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, how you are feeling about your child? Big achievement.
Very nice, ma'am. Very good. मैम आई एम फ्रॉम नॉर्थ, लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद मैम मैंने विद्या मैडम और सारे क्लास टीचर्स सब ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया मैम। मुझे कभी भी ये फील नहीं हुआ कि मैं बच्चे को गलत जगह पे भेजा। ये सेकंड होम की तरह था। उन्होंने बहुत सपोर्ट किया, इसलिए मैं तहे दिल से मैम विद्या मैम को और ऑल क्लास टीचर्स और जो भी हैं सबको थैंक यू बोलती हूँ मैम। हाँ मैम, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, उन्होंने बहुत सपोर्ट किया। जब भी मिस हुआ, एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस भी लिया, एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्ट किया, जब भी कॉल किया, जब भी हुआ, मैं वो कभी भी मतलब वर्किंग टाइम के बाद भी मैंने कॉल किया, उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया, उन्होंने रिस्पॉन्स किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, एक आर्ट्स से क्लास 7 में, उसके भी फुल सपोर्ट करते हैं। हमारे दोनों बच्चे स्पोर्ट्स में हैं मैम, फिर भी स्पोर्ट्स में होने के बाद भी उनका इतना कभी एब्सेंट हो जा रहे हैं, लेकिन वो इस तरह से सपोर्ट करते थे कि लगता कि नहीं, इससे अच्छा कुछ हो नहीं सकता। एक मदर की तरह उन्होंने एक सारे बच्चे को सपोर्ट करते हैं, लेकिन मैं अपने बच्चे की तरफ से बोल रही हूँ, फुल सपोर्ट किया। विद्या मैम तो सच में बहुत अच्छी हैं, कभी भी कॉल करो रिस्पॉन्स करती हैं, सारे टीचर्स अच्छे हैं। थैंक यू मैम। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मेरे बच्चे ने कुछ किया, लेकिन ये सपोर्ट उनका बहुत था। पेरेंट्स का होता है, लेकिन टीचर्स भी एक सेकंड पेरेंट्स की तरह उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया मैम। थैंक यू।
First of all, congratulations. He has scored 98.4 percentage. How you are feeling?
Obviously, it's very great to see all the hard work pay off at the end of the day. I'm thankful to my parents, my teachers, all of them who supported me in this journey. It feels great.
Yeah, you are the topper of the school also. So how you are feeling?
I did not really think of it like that at first. It was just consistency from day one, and all of that effort put in has brought me here. So I am very thrilled. They are very satisfied with my result, and of course, they have helped me too, as equally as I have. They have worked hard too. All the nights that I stayed up, they were with me, giving me company, and constantly trying to strategize what works better for me. So yes, they feel great.
How about the school management and also faculty support for you?
Yes, they have supported me in my journey since the very beginning. They tried to note my weaknesses, tried to strategize better, tried to always give me another stepping stone, another standard that I have to fill so that I could be the best, and that's worked very well.
What is your goal next?
Um, right now, it's just to do well in my studies intermediate, but overall I want to succeed further as well, and this is just the beginning. I believe I'm gonna be better and better.
PMS Alwal was the pillar of your career. How you are feeling?
Very great, very great. In fact, I've continued my grade 11 with them because they've seen me grow since a small child, and I feel like they can support my journey the best. So, yes.
Thank you. All the best for your future.
Thank you very much.
Hi, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
First of all, congratulations, both of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Your child got the 98.4 percentage. How are you feeling, sir?
Overwhelmed. We feel overwhelmed. We feel
Very
proud of-
proudly.
Yes, we are proud parents.
Yeah.
And the way Pallavi model support from the beginning, where she got admission from 3rd standard. So they shape up the career of my child so far, and they are also helping ahead also, as always they did. Particularly Vidya ma'am, Sulakshana ma'am, and all the teachers are supported like anything. They minutely observed personally each and every student. This is the main thing I shown in here only. They note each and every smallest part of weakness, strength, and they trying to improve more and more. So this is the success key of the Pallavi. Yes, ma'am.
As a parent, sir, what about the faculty and also PMS management? Are you satisfied with the management?
100%, ma'am. 100%, because the management and all the teachers from 3rd standard she have been gone through, and she came in touch with all the teachers. They are excellently supportive. She feels that it's a second home for her. She feels completely safe here, so that only she wants to continue here only. Despite of so many options are open, but we are also satisfied here, so we will continue here.
Namaste everyone. My name is Sumedha Ghandikota. Well, I've scored 95.8% in Pallavi Model School, Alwal. I say you to join Pallavi Model School, Alwal, because the teachers are very supporting. You have a very chill environment and there is no stress. When I say it, I do mean it. When my term 1's performance was really not good. But my teacher, my class teacher, my subject teachers, they have supported me in all the ways they could support me. And that's the reason I have joined Pallavi in my 11th grade as well. Maths, I have taken MEC Commerce, and trust me when I say this, you'll fall in love with accounts. And yeah, that's all. You have a very chill environment, and moreover CBSE syllabus, which is NCERT syllabus, which is tied to NTA. That's another big plus point. We have sports facilities as well. I've gone to many competitions in Taekwondo. We have option for clusters. We have SGF, and we have top class teachers in our school, and we have labs as well. So thank you.
Namaste everyone, I am Meher and I have scored 94.6% in my 10th grade, and I have also rejoined in Pallavi Model School for my 11th grade, and I have taken commerce, and faculty and teachers have been...
Namaste everyone, good morning. I'm Shriya. I have scored 98.4% in my class 10th board exam, and I have rejoined Pallavi Model School Alwal because I trust them with my journey all along. I have been studying here since grade 3, and I believe that the teachers, the faculty and principal ma'am here have seen me grow into what I am, and I believe they can support my journey the best. Thank you.
I am Adya Kashyap and I got 98.6, and this is all because of support of Pallavi Model School, teachers and principal ma'am especially, and because without them I would have not done so great, and I have rejoined the school because I have full faith in its capabilities.
Good morning everyone. I am Dhriti Mishra from Pallavi Model School Alwal. I have secured 99.92% in boards class 10 this year. For this great success, I would like to thank all my teachers for their support and their guidance throughout my struggle. Their constant support and nurturing environment made this a great success for me. I would also like to thank my parents for this because this is a success for them as well. They always helped me in my difficult times. Special support thanks to the school management who constantly kept exams which helped me in getting great results. Overall, I would also like to thank my principal ma'am, Vidya Rao ma'am, who helped me throughout my struggle. Based on our good academic results, Mr. Komaria sir, our chairman, has also promised us for free education. So thank you all for this.
नमस्ते, मेरा बेटा उसको 96.4% मिले हैं और मैं स्कूल के सभी टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल, क्लास टीचर्स सभी को धन्यवाद बोलना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि सभी ने इसको बहुत सपोर्ट किया है और एनकरेज भी किया है कंसिस्टेंट रहने के लिए. उन्होंने एंड तक सभी सब्जेक्ट सभी की प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छे से ली. एवरी इम्प्रूवमेंट स्टेप्स इम्प्रूवमेंट जहाँ पे करवाना है वहाँ पे उन्होंने स्टेप्स भी लिए अच्छे से. तो उसके लिए मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ सभी टीचर्स का, प्रिंसिपल्स का. उन्होंने प्रिंसिपल मैम ने भी पर्सनली ध्यान दिया है 10th पे और सभी चीज़ों पे. थैंक यू सो मच.
First of all, a big congratulations for PMS Alwal ma'am.
Thank you so much. And I'm very...
feeling, ma'am?
I'm on cloud 9.
Yeah.
Because this is a joyous moment to PMS Alwal. First time we have created history. In the Twin Cities, I must say, we have set a benchmark. Hearty congratulations to Chairman Sir and CEO Yashashvi Sir, Pallavi Ma'am. And on behalf of management, principal, staff, I would like to congratulate all the grade 10th students who have brought laurels to us.
Yeah. About your children. How
all-
did they support it?
Right. These children, they were able to achieve the success because here at PMS Alwal, we believe hard work to be associated with smart work. And then under the supervision of our teachers and with their constant mentoring, and then our heads constantly supporting them with full focus, children are able to solve the practice papers and were attending extra support classes, which has brought laurels and helped them to achieve the success. So that's why we believe hard work always leads to success. This achievement with the support of all the teachers, grade 10 teachers, and with my team members, we are like this today, number 1 position.
Yeah.
Thank you, team. Thank you, sir, for believing us. Thanks a lot to all the parents, and once again, hearty congratulations.
I am the HM for the primary block,
Okay,
but I
okay.
take grade 10.
Yeah. How you're feeling, ma'am? It's a Pallavi Model School, Alwal, big achievement.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It is all about the hard work put in by each one of us, actually.
Yeah.
Students, teachers and parents. Without parent support, it would not have been that much possible.
Yeah. And also, what did you say for the future, their career?
I suggest uh, try and catch your dreams
Okay.
first.
Yeah.
That is very, very important. And thereafter comes whatever subjects at times parents are suggesting, that also they have to rethink.
Okay. Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
What about the parent support, ma'am?
Parents were always supporting us. I think that parent support is the motivation for all of us to give our best. Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
How you are
Hello.
feeling about the big achievement, ma'am?
We are all overwhelmed actually the day the results are out. We are expecting many toppers, but 90 toppers to the range of 90 above percentage is something which is huge.
Yeah.
And as you see the crowd here, 90 students along with their parents, along with their family, and it was a huge celebration. And we are also so happy about this.
What about the upcoming students, ma'am? If ninth grade
Yeah.
students, what is your motivation for that children?
With the changes in the grade 9 happening in the curriculum, on the co-curriculum also, we have our plans in place, and the changes in the assessment pattern criteria, which was observed in this current, 25-26 academic year, we have made many changes, and that is what we are going to look forward for more success.
I'm feeling very good. Though I know that this is my 10th year completed, and children went right from pre-primary to grade 10th, and I'm so happy that they have come out with flying colors in their 10th board. I'm so happy for them. I, being the HM for the foundational years, I have faced challenges with them that time. Now, the challenges were faced by the faculty of grade 10th and Sulakshana ma'am and Vidya ma'am. So they know better, but yes, challenges will be there because social media is the one which always attract children. So to make them cut off from that, that was the main challenge for them, and to bring them back to the academics through their ma'am, they planned worksheets and all. So that was a great help for them.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. On behalf of actually our management supported us a lot, and our heads and all, and especially actually it is a hard work of the student. We supported, we conducted so many extra classes for the dullers, and even for the high achievers we have taken so many doubt clarification kind of sessions, and the teachers are always available for the students. I think this is the milestone for the student, and even these students made us proud.
Okay. What are the challenges you faced with the students?
Actually, in the beginning, as the children are coming out from the small classes, then what happened? They are not able to understand how to attempt the paper, especially for the board classes. Then accordingly, we guided us. Initially, what happened? Their percentage and everything was very, very less. That time we guided them, how to go about it, how to write. The presentation part is very important, because to get the 90% is not only the knowledge, the presentation of the paper, how to attempt the answer, emphasize on the keywords. So those all challenges we face, and we rectified accordingly, subject wise. We have taken the special classes or even the separate classes, one-to-one kind of interaction. And we teachers are always available for the student. And now this is the day when everything what all we have done is just coming up with the with the great result. So we are really happy along with the
It's a
team.
99.2%.
Yes,
It's it's a big achievement.
Yes, ma'am. It's a big achievement. This is my 4th year as a coordinator of grade 10. And my team is always with me. See, between the parents and student, of course, it is there, because sometimes the things which are not reaching to the parents, and they are reaching in the different way.
Yeah.
So that time what happened, we teachers used to call the parents separately, guide them in such a way that wherever the lagging is there, and one-to-one interaction. I think those gaps can be filled up when we are talking individually. Personal talks or on call, depends on their timings. On calls or personally also we are calling them for the small PTMs and all. So like that we conducted, and we bridged those gaps between student teachers and between teachers and the parents. Because in present generation, parents are also too busy. All the time they are not available. So according to their comfort, we are calling them, we are guiding them. So that all we did in the entire year, last year. So
Next year we can expect the 100%.
definitely we are expecting 100%. And from day one we started guiding the student accordingly, because now the slowly what is happening, the paper pattern of the CBSE is changing. Now the last year the competency level was around 50%. Now slowly they will increase to 60 and 70% also, and next year we don't know what are the changes the CBSE will made. So accordingly we are training the student from day one. Right now also we have some concept exam is going on for grade 10, and actually not even grade 10, we are training the student from 9th onwards. So because presently CBSE is changing the pattern or even the books from grade 9, and major concept from grade 11 which are competitive one and grade 10 are included in 9th syllabus in the new books. So we are training the student like in a such a way, so wherever the competitive part is there which is going like to the higher level, so on that point we are just paying more attention. We are just explaining them from the small bits, so children can understand better.
Namaste, Chairman Sir and our CEO Yashashvi Sir. My dear parents, teachers and students. Today, Pallavi Model School Alwal, as a principal, I am very happy because we could achieve 100% pass percentage, and we have set a benchmark in the Twin Cities with 99.2%. All our students have scored very well, and this year we have created history. In English, 5 students have scored centums, Mathematics 1, Social 1, in Telugu 2, and in AI 66 students have scored centums. This credit goes to all the teachers who are working tirelessly and putting in lot of effort, taking up extra classes with the policy of adapt according to the needs and necessity of the parents and children. Education was provided at our branch. So with this, with focused curriculum and continuous practice, and with the help of all the heads under their mentoring, we could achieve the result. Thank you, sir. Thank you, dear parents.